Okay guys, here we're back again in Andy's kitchen. Hope you're all doing well. Hope everybody's looking after themselves and keeping themselves amused through this hard times. Due to the fact that there's a lot of things not available in the shops, things like yeast, I thought today we'd do a wee tutorial on the first stage of how to make a homemade sourdough starter. This is going to take about 5 to 7 days to do, and we'll hopefully get through these stages at a time. Okay? Okay, so the first thing we need, guys, is a nice big jar. I use cylinder jars, so I prefer them because of the seals, and you can replace the seals with things. They're very sturdy, very good. Okay, what you need to do is make sure it's cleaned out and washed properly. Even get a wee rinse room and a wee bit of boiling water and sterilise it. Make sure it's nice and clean. Okay, then we need 200 grams of strong bread flour. Okay, and we need 200 millilitres or 200 grams again of tepid water. Okay. What we need to do then is take a bit of cheesecloth or muslin cloth on there like that. Okay. Put the elastic band on it. Okay. The lid over like that. We put that on there to stop any insects or anything falling into the jar. Okay. But we want the natural lactobacteria that's in the air, the yeast, the natural yeast and bacteria in the air, to penetrate into the jar. That in itself will start the fermentation, the lactofermentation, okay? And that's what gives us a unique flavour to the sourdough breads, okay? So the next thing we need to do is set this away for 2 days, okay? So I'm just going to set this over here. Okay, and just to let you see what it's like, I've actually got my own one that I have here at home, and I'll just show you this. It's a bit frothy, it's a bit funky. I've just fed it a wee while ago, so it's starting to froth up again. Okay, and that's what it's like. Okay, that's what we want to get to. Okay, so I'll get back to you next time in the next stage. It's beautiful frothy, and it smells slightly sweet and slightly vinegary, but it's very, very nice.